Curlin American Horse of the Year, 2007 and 2008 with over $10 million in earnings. Pole Dancer is a 18-year-old mare that was born in 2006 and raced from 2008 to 2010. She was sired by Pulpit. Out of the Arch mare may have been the one.
So ito ang first run ni Redeemer. Panoorin natin.
They're off. All in front is second by Secretary, followed by Euroclidona. King Tiger now for the outside, and followed by Redeemer. Then for the inside, Sir William. Then followed by Barranca Brother. While Eye in the Sky is running in the tail of the field. And as they settle now, King Tiger, Secretary, very close, third, Euroclidona. 5 lengths away, Redeemer, then followed by Sir William, another 4 lengths back. Barranca Brera and Eye in the Sky, but it's still King Tiger leads by some 2 lengths now, followed by Secretary, Euroclidona, and Redeemer running in fourth by some 3 lengths, then followed by Sir William, long way back, Barranca Brera, and Eye in the Sky still running in the tail of the field, and towards the last 400, it is still King Tiger by some 4 lengths. Here comes Redeemer now running in second, Secretary. Then followed by Euroclidon, 4 lengths, by the bank, Sir William, Barranca Brera, Eye in the Sky. And at the top of the stretch, Redeemer now by the outside, followed by King Tiger, Secretary, Euroclidona, Sir William, Eye in the Sky, and Barranca Brera, but it's still Redeemer. And finally, it's Redeemer.
So ayun nga, malayong nanalo si Redeemer at mukhang marami pa.
And King Tiger.
Sundan natin ang susunod na takbo nito, Bayang
Alright,
Karerista.
crossing the mark first. Dalyamadong 4 Redeemer. Nirenda ni John Alvin Gusen. Nasigunding 6 si Euroclidon. Tapos 3 Secretary. Dikit tayo sa kwarto pwesto between 5 and 7. Batang Cabrera, King Tiger.